Hi, this is Geringhoff Product Support. Today we're going to be removing our standard Geringhoff end dividers and installing our side cutters. All of us at Geringhoff would like to thank you for taking the time to view this video. You will find the information presented here to be informative and helpful in performing service to Geringhoff harvesting machines. Whenever servicing a Geringhoff product, please observe all safety decals and warnings. Use factory-supplied safety supports on the combine and the Geringhoff head. Use the proper safety equipment required for the task. This may include, but is not limited to, eye protection, foot protection, hearing protection, proper clothing, hand protection, proper tools, and other equipment and supplies as required for the service to be performed. To start, remove the cover for the side panel. Next, pull the release handle and pull the old divider off. Loosen up the adjustable lock, put it up out of your way. Install the side cutter as shown. Loosen up the adjustable lock and set it your desired height. And make sure that the locking lever is engaged. Tighten the lock back up. Next, hook up the hoses as shown. And reinstall the side cover. On behalf of Geringhoff Product Support, thanks for watching. And as always, if you have any questions about the video you just watched, you can contact us on our service hotline.